Hi, Saichand. How are you, Saichand?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Saichand, introduce yourself, your native, and about your college.
My name is Anumandla Saichand. I completed my graduation in BTech Civil Engineering from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology, ma'am, Hyderabad. My native place is Warangal in Telangana.
Okay, like how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
CMTI Institute నాకు Instagram పేజ్ ద్వారా తెలిసింది.
Okay, that's nice. Like how you got connected with the coordinators or the staff in the CMTI?
I attended webinars through CMTI. I came to know that uh, like CMTI is giving training for civil engineering. Then I contacted Varshinima. Ma'am shared all the details regarding the course.
Okay, Saichan. Like for which course you have joined for?
I have joined for CACM hybrid one.
Okay, like in hybrid mode, how was your classrooms? Like how you used to get the updates of the sessions? How you were attending the sessions?
I was attending regularly, ma'am. I was be focused. Like అన్ని క్లాసెస్ ఆన్లైన్ లో రెగ్యులర్ గా అటెండ్ అవుతుంది. ఏం మిస్ కాకుండా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఎమ్మటే క్లారిఫై ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది సెషన్ సార్ అడిగితే ఎమ్మటే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేవారు.
Okay, like daily updates, how you used to get it? Like which session at what time and all the details how you were knowing about?
We used to have group in WhatsApp daily evening for what are the sessions we are having from tomorrow. We used to get in timetable will be updated regularly, so that accordingly we need to attend the classes.
Okay, that's nice. Like how was like in case if you have missed out some session, right? How you were taking the backup session? How the coordinator supported you for the backup sessions?
Ma'am, ma'am helped me in recording sessions so that I can learn, and I can from then after within next session I back up those all the sessions and attend.
Okay, that's nice. Like how was the trainer support in the classrooms? Like you were attending in the online mode. Like how was the trainer supporting you in?
చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు మ్యామ్. నటరాజన్ సార్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ సార్ ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఎమ్మటే ఎట్ ద స్పాట్ అదే టైంలో అర్థం కాలేదు సార్ కొంచెం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే 1 to 2 times మంచిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేవారు సార్. సో దానివల్ల నాకు చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అయింది.
Okay, what are the topics you have covered?
In CACM, the topics are covered like starting from reading of drawings, then after project management, then after sequence of construction, sequence of interior, and quality control, and bar bending schedule, quantity surveying, and the basics of interior, types of hardware used in interior, cut list, and that's it.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how about your software sessions? What are the new softwares you have learned, and how was the trainers towards your softwares learning?
I have learned AutoCAD, SketchUp, V-Ray rendering, and Revit, ma'am. If I have any doubts, they used to clarify there itself.
Okay, that's nice. What are the softwares you have covered?
I have covered AutoCAD, SketchUp, V-Ray rendering, and Revit architecture and structure.
Okay, that's nice. Like when you came for offline, right? How was the coordinator supports? Like when you visited the office, how they treated you? Like, and where all the site visits you have covered?
They used to regularly update me, especially Divya ma'am, and I have attended infra market site visit, Glamwood, DARC exhibition center, and I have attended in construction also.
Okay, that's nice. Like comparing to your practical and theory classes, which mode, like which method helped you a lot?
Practical training helps me a lot. While visiting the sites and real time, it gains at while listening to classes వినడం వల్ల ఎమ్మటే సైమల్టేనియస్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళడం వల్ల కోరిలేట్ చేసుకొని ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ అయ్యేది టాపిక్స్ అన్ని.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how was your interview preparation? How you cracked your interview? What are the methods you used while preparing for the interview?
Basic CV preparation తర్వాత ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాను మ్యామ్. విరూపాక్ష సార్ హెల్ప్ చేశాడు. దానివల్ల నేను ఒక ఒక 1-on-1 ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కి అటెండ్ అయ్యాను.
Okay, like how you cracked your interview? What was the round? How you performed in your interview?
Basically there was 2 rounds, ma'am. First round is they have given one assignment, they have given one floor plan, and we need to execute it in 3D model using SketchUp software, ma'am. Then I have done in 3D model. Then they asked different types of interiors and standard dimensions, and what are the materials used, and what are the hardwares used in interior. And the second round will be like HR round, and the basic what are your goals and ambitions, where are you from, what is your parents occupation.
Okay, that's nice. Like, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors who is willing to attain interview from CMTI, or like who wants to join the CMTI? So, what you want to suggest for them?
It's good, ma'am. You want to work really hard. You need to be very dedicated. Either it is on online or offline. You need to work consistently. The result will get automatically.
Saichand, for which role you have selected for?
I have selected for graduate engineer train.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you, Saichand, for your feedback. That was great talking with you. Congratulations for your placements. Have
Thank
a
you.
bright future.
Thank you.